If we search on Pinterest for how to keep your dog off the couch, you see a list of pins covering this topic. I chose this topic because there are lots of products that you can promote that relates to this topic. I'll show you how to increase your chances of ranking your pin on Pinterest later in the video, so make sure to watch to the end. It's not that difficult. If we head to the main page for this pin, you'll notice here that a pin is pointing to a post on this website. You also notice the word pet as part of the domain name. This is very useful when it comes to not just ranking on Pinterest, but also on Google search. Your website needs to have something that explains what the site does. I'll talk more about this later in the video. If we click through to the profile page for this pin, we'll notice that this account is getting over 26,000 visits per month. Now, there are definitely Pinterest accounts that get more than 1 million views monthly from pin clicks. However, I wanted to use something that beginners can relate to. This is to show you the power of Pinterest and how it can drive sales to your Amazon and other affiliate offers. According to SimilarWeb, this website gets 3.8 million views per month. So clearly, this website also generates traffic from search, which is important if you want to earn money online. However, this 26,000 monthly view is also a big deal, especially if all you have to do is post these types of pins frequently, and in return you get free traffic. But for this video, we'll focus only on the Pinterest part. If we head to the Blue Earner Amazon estimate calculator and we choose the niche as pet supplies, for conversion rate, we'll take a cautious approach, so we'll go with the lowest industry value of 1.75%. For the traffic part, let's assume that we are only able to get a quarter of 26,000 clicks to actually convert and purchase our affiliate offers. So we'll enter 6,500. For average order value, we'll also go with the lowest value of $58. This results to a $197 per month in affiliate earnings just from Pinterest. If we use the more aggressive values, this translates to $409 per month. If you factor in other high-ticket products from other affiliate programs and your ability to post lots of these types of pins frequently, this can easily translate to over $1,000 per month just from Pinterest traffic. If you're looking for the best Amazon alternative affiliate programs in the pets niche, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification icon to get notified when that video is published. You can also check the description if the video has been released by the time you're watching this video. So the next question becomes, how do we set this all up? The first thing you need to do is set up your website. Your website will serve as a landing page that visitors can click through to and check out your affiliate offers. There are several ways to set up your website. There are free and paid options available. I'll go through all of them in this video, so make sure to watch to the end. For the paid method, you simply need to visit blueearner.com and click on the niche websites link at the top. Here, you can find niche starter templates and websites with products already imported. Once you launch your website using any of these templates, you can start creating your articles for Pinterest right away. In this example, I will go with this pet supplies niche template. Browsing through the site, you can see the products that come with this template. If I search for the word couch, these are the results I get. You'll also notice the products that have reviews. If I click on the product review button for this product, I'll be redirected to the main product page where I can watch the video review for this product. You'll also notice the various Amazon affiliate links that visitors can click on. This massively increases conversion rate. I'll head to the dog grooming menu link so we can choose some more products, including this product, to add to our article, since we're trying to replicate the article that the Pet Helpful website has. Well, not exactly, but similar. I'll select this one, and this one. I'm going to come back to this list after we finish generating our articles, but before that, it's important to note that you can always add new products to the website. You're not limited to just the ones that came inbuilt. Right here, I've already added my article to the website. I'm now going to insert products into my article. By the way, these websites come with our Pro ChatGPT article generation prompts that can help you rank on Google and write articles very quickly. Links are in the description if you want to check that out. Now, with these ready-made sites, you get access to beautiful product widgets and designs. Some services offer these for a subscription, however, you get them free as part of the niche templates. Once you launch any of these templates, you get access to future product showcase designs and templates for free. So here, I'm going to click on Import. Click on the Template tab. I'll search for Product Template. This will search for our product widget or design, if you will. Now, there are two templates currently. One is for products that have reviews, and the other one is for products without a video review. Since some of the products we want to add have video reviews and the others don't, I will just insert both of them. Now, let's find the product we want to add. For the first product, I'll hit the pencil icon, click on Query, and search for the product name Bedshore. I'm going to copy this so I can make a copy and paste it right here where the article mentions the product. I'm going to repeat the same process for all the products. As I mentioned previously, even though we are doing this for Pinterest, you want to make sure your articles can rank so you can get search traffic flowing into your website. So writing good articles pays a lot. Check out our Pro Prompt list for prompts that can help you generate articles that rank. Links in the description. So now that we've added the products, our article is now ready to be posted on Pinterest. I'm not going to show you how to create pins. I'm sure most people know how to do that already. All you need to do is create a free Pinterest account and create your pins that point to your articles, rinse and repeat. Next, let's look at the free options. Number one on the list is WordPress.com. WordPress allows you to create websites and can get you started, especially if you're on a low budget. You can check out their free plan. The drawback with using WordPress.com is that you will need to manually set up your website, choose a template, and design from scratch. The free plan can get you started, but you can't use a domain name unless you upgrade to a paid plan. Speaking of domain names, before I get to the number 2 free method, when you're thinking of starting an affiliate business like this one, it's important that you consider search engine optimization, as I mentioned earlier. If we take a look back at the traffic stats for the Pet Helpful website, you'll notice that over 69% of their traffic comes from search. If you're starting a brand new affiliate website, it can take a little bit of time before you start getting meaningful traffic to your website. The best shortcut to getting ahead is by using expired domain names. If we head to the landing page of this starter pet template, you can see a list of expired domain names with domain authority, backlinks, and domain history. You can find domain names that have already been crawled by Google. If you don't know what expired domain names are, they are domain names that were once active and had contents and links pointing to them from other websites. But fortunately for us, they were let go or their owners forgot to renew them, so they got expired. Domain authority and backlinks are important ranking factors when it comes to getting your articles to show up in Google search. Using expired domain names, you can easily rank for a keyword faster than someone who just purchased a fresh domain name that hasn't been crawled by Google, has no backlinks, or domain history or related content at all. So getting back to our free website options, at number 2 we have Google Sites. Just like WordPress.com, you can create a website with a temporary link that can get you started. You can easily add image and sections, but like WordPress.com, there's a lot of manual work that you need to do upfront. Click here to watch my next video, how to get started with Sora and Amazon affiliates in 2024. Click here to watch my other video, successful Amazon affiliate websites. Hope you found this video interesting and helpful, especially if you're looking to create a side hustle that will earn you passive income. There are dozens of videos like this that I'm working on, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.